Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. So here I am with the part 2, continued from the part 1. But before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get started. So in the previous video, I showed you 5 girls and dolls that I've drew, and you had to choose one. So now you have to choose another one, please. So here is the 5th, the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. So here's Caroline, the American Girl doll. This is just an angel. This is a cute schoolgirl that I drew. This one I have already made a video on, but let me know if you like it. And this is the most recent one that I have drew, but these 4 I have recreated from Draw So Cute, but this one is my very own. I just did a normal girl. So let me know in the comments down below which number was your favorite. And in the previous video I forgot to mention, but Tenny, the American Girl doll, I have done a video on already. So again, tell me which one you liked in the comments down below. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video.